Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something absolutely al bacio and delicious like always and super easy. I'm going to make pork ribs with potatoes, but it will be absolutely delicious if we follow this recipe, okay? I'll show you what we need. Of course, ask your butcher some pork ribs, the meaty one. It's like pork belly without skin almost, because I like meaty. We need some salt and pepper, some bay leaves, garlic and peppercorn. I put already the water in the pot. Just salt and pepper. That is what we need. Flip over this. Again. Some salt. That's it. If you notice, the water boiling very gentle, okay? We don't need boiling strong. Put your pork ribs inside. Under the water. We add some peppercorn, couple of garlic, 3, 4 bay leaves, give a mix, like this. Lid on, and this is gonna be the first step. In this time, I just cleaned some mess I made. We prepared the potatoes. I'm gonna use potatoes, carrots, and 1 pepper with some onion. I like that. And we're gonna prepare the mix, and later, when this is ready, we're gonna mix all together, okay? And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check out our website cookingwithanitalia.com. You know, I'm gonna use some new potatoes with some onion, carrot, pepper. I'm gonna use garlic, olive oil, some black pepper, of course salt. I use a sweet paprika, garlic powder, dry rosemary and some soya sauce. Prepare a bowl. Well, these new potatoes, I like cut in 4, just to cook quickly. The big one, maybe I cut in 4, okay? The pepper, just how do you like? You can leave like that, you know. I think in 4 is good. The onion as well. Just rough. I like roast, you know, cutting for big pieces, you know, because if you cut too small, it burn the onion, okay? Carrots, or you can cut longer, like that, 4, up to you. The big potatoes, you know, I cut in half. I cut again in half, and I like to do the different shape, you know? Okay guys, my veg, my potatoes, is everything here. Salt, how much you like, pepper, some dry rosemary, sweet paprika, garlic powder, garlic, just cutting out, soya sauce, 1/2 tablespoon, okay? Olive oil, mix everything. I use the hands, We are not master chef, but we cook very well for our family. They're ready. Cook like that. Wow, they're gonna be amazing. They boil 45 minutes. Something, you know, soft like this, you know? The fork gonna be inside, but not completely, because now, you see, that is perfect. Now we're gonna brown it, and later they're going in the oven, okay? 200 degrees, we preheat the oven. Guys, always when you cook, enjoy your cooking. E alla salute. Anyway, olive oil in, and we're gonna brown it from both sides. Not a lot, but we're gonna still brown very well, okay? 3-4 minutes per side, okay? Just like that. Flip over. Slowly, slowly, because they very, yeah, delicate, okay? Another thing, just again some black pepper and salt. I brown it just like that, you know? Perfect. Olive oil on the bottom. Put in tray. Potatoes with veg, just put inside. Absolutely amazing. Already like that. I cannot wait to try it. Again, olive oil on the top. Some dry rosemary is left here. Some salt. Garlic powder. Black pepper. And now guys, this is going in the oven, 200 degrees. When the potato they cook is ready. 30-40 minutes. I cannot wait. Pork ribs with roast potato is the I like that. Look amazing. The smell is unbelievable. Beautiful. Very, very nice. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!